This is our home, our Mother Earth, a breathtaking masterpiece of nature, home to diverse ecosystems, abundant life, and stunning landscapes. However, as we witness her beauty, we also witness the devastating impacts of wildfires. Increasing wildfires in northern Morocco are worsened by the impacts of climate change and rising temperature. As the climate becomes hotter and drier, it creates favorable conditions for wildfire to spread more rapidly and with greater intensity, posing even greater risks to local communities, the original inhabitants, such as Boabid Mustafa and other communities. As we can see in these graphs, over the years, wildfire in northern Morocco have increased significantly. And fueled by the escalating impacts of climate change and rising temperatures, posing a serious threat to communities and precious ecosystems. There are warning of temperatures increases, projected to be twice as fast as the global average, according to the General Directorate of Meteorology in Morocco. Today, we present to you a beacon of hope, introducing Flame Shield, the app that combines wildfire risk index and advanced machine learning algorithms to provide early fire detection, emergency assistance, and education resources, uniting us in the fight against wildfires in northern Morocco caused by climate change. In our app redesign, we prioritize user satisfaction by fine-tuning the user interface design to ensure good alignment and visually pleasing experience. With the given funding, we will establish strategic partnerships to enhance Flame Shield and expand our reach through marketing, and continuously improve the app based on user feedback. By supporting Flame Shield, you have the unique opportunity to be the driving force behind saving lives, protecting precious ecosystems, and enhancing communities' resilience against wildfire. Thank you.